So the idea for today is to start showing you a video of a tour, an end-to-end tour of the FTS platform. And then if people from the pilots join us, have any questions, we will be answering. And if not, we will just do a live demo. And then if you have any question, you can also ask. So Álvaro, the floor is
Hello,
yours.
everyone. Okay, I'm going to show my screen right now. Confirm, please, if you see it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I put the
Remember
video.
to share also the desktop audio.
Yeah, I think the audio is. Let me know.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you for your attention. This was the video for the FTS platform. Now, if you have any question about the video or you want me to now do the live demo, say something to me. So
Okay, I've seen that Salua, Silvia, and Ines join us while playing the video. This was a 10-minute video of an end-to-end handling of the blockchain-based FTS platform that we will be sharing with you soon. And now, if you don't have any question, Alvaro will be doing a live demo of the handling of the FTS platform.
Hi, everybody. Sorry for the delay to be
Hi,
in.
Salua.
Hi.
hi.
For those that you don't know, Alvaro is a colleague from INGE that has been developing also the blockchain-based FTS platform.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, Alvaro, you can
Okay,
proceed.
I can continue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now this is the live platform that is hosted in a server. Currently is accessible by everyone. But for this purpose, I will just show it to you how it works. We have the 4 different pilots, the Lebanese pilot, Tunisian pilot, Egyptian pilot, and Spanish pilot. As we have seen in the video, the Lebanese, Egyptian, and Spanish pilot are working the same way, just uploading a file and then it's loaded into the blockchain platform. But for the Tunisian pilot, we have a specific step-by-step formulary. So for instance, I will just show the Egyptian and Tunisian as they are the two that are different. First of all, with the Egyptian, as we have seen in the video, we will have to log in with our credentials. Once we are logged in, we will be asked to create a new entry or see the old ones that we have. Since this is a fresh one, we don't have any entry, so let's create a new one. Here we have added a little rule section because this is important in the part that the file that has to be selected is a CSV file. Is a specific file that can be saved from an Excel program. So for example, I've showed you the Egyptian test. Here should be the data for that pilot. We can add multiple rows, and for example, these rows are different from each other, so each one will be one entry. Now that we have the Excel, we have to be sure to have the same data, so we cannot have another entry. So this is really important because otherwise it won't be able to accept that entry into the database. Then we can be here, save as, and we have to select the CSV UTF format. Now we save it, and we can just drag and drop. Now we can try to upload it, and if it was correct, the files are going to be uploaded into the database and also in the blockchain platform. Okay, so the transaction is valid. Now we can try to print the QR code. Here, if we have a printer, we will print this on a paper and then put it on a package. And here we can explore the transaction. We have one of those because this is one just of the line. Now we can go back to the Egyptian pilot and we will see the other entries. these three are three different entries. So for example, we can try to see this one. Now I will show you how this behaves for the customer. I will put here my phone. Okay. Now you will be able to see my phone screen. Okay. So now once this will be printed in the packet, the DS to the customer to go to their scanner app that is on everyone's phone, and then point to the QR, go to the code. Usually it depends, okay, but depending the application, it will usually show if it's just to put in the browser. One moment, I'll try. I'll try again. Okay. Well, it just allows me, mine allows to copy the test, the code, and then I put it here. And now I can search for it. Okay, as you can see, here's the data in my phone. Well, I don't see it well, but for now, this is how the customer will search for the data. Now we'll try to use the Tunisian pilot. We have to create a new window. So we refresh our credentials. And now, as you have seen, I have created just one for test purposes, but we could create another one, put in the information as you have seen in the video. For this time, I will just put random data. Now you proceed to the second step. And here, for example, I will try to add a document. This is the sampling as a lab data PDF. Oh, take a little bit to load. Okay. Now I will add another one, and let's go to finish it. And now, once it's finished, it will always redirect to the valid transaction. Here we could be able to print the QR. For the same purpose, I will scan the QR with my phone. Oh, now it's just to go to a web. Okay. And here, as you see, I'll be able to see the data and also access the lab data PDF. Sometimes it takes a while because it's a slow method, but it's secure, stored on blockchain. I'll try to open it here better. Yeah. And now this is the lab data that was uploaded. So this is further, if you need another explanation about every step or something like that, feel free to ask, because I know it's a little bit confusing.
Okay, so Salua,
Yes.
what do you think? What do you think about your pilot?
Thank you. I think I tried to to try with my
with your phone.
yeah, my phone with the code, but it didn't pass. I don't know why. It captured, but it's still turning running with the code QR.
Maybe let's see. Let's see this one. Show QR. Try now.
It's not shared.
Doesn't charge.
No, it didn't share the screen.
I am.
It's not sharing the screen.
No.
I can see it, but try to.
I will. Okay,
share
I
again.
will stop.
In my case, it's okay. In my case, it's okay. I can see the data.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Nuria.
Too.
Maybe Salwa, do you see the screen now?
Yes, I'm doing it again.
Okay.
Okay.
It worked with the Ines, or who said it's okay?
I think it worked for Nuria from Itene.
Nuria?
Yeah, for me also. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, for me also.
For me too. And for Carmen also. Yes.
No, it's local problem.
Maybe.
It's my phone, or it's the connections too low. It's still running. I don't know.
Okay.
Could be because if I know this service in France, right?
Okay.
So for us, maybe we quick, but for other countries, maybe a little bit slow.
Okay. I don't know neither, but perhaps it is because the connection and it is blurry. The QR code, I don't know.
Maybe.
But for the consumers, as you have seen, there is no need of credentials. Every consumer, if they have the QR code, they can access the information. And for the pilots, they just can access its own pilot. Okay. If I am Egyptian, I am from the Egyptian pilot. I cannot access the Spanish or the Tunisian or the Lebanon pilot. Okay.
So it's personal.
It's personal. Yes. Yes. Yeah, for the partners. But for the consumers, as they are only seeing the information they have received through the QR code, there is no need for login, okay, or credentials.
So the actual QR code that I'm seeing now, it's for consumer or it's for the pilot?
It's valid for both, but for consumers, there is no need that they have any credential or login.
So the content is different if I am consumer or if I am from the pilot.
The content, it is the same, okay? But as you have uploaded the fish import, you are logged in. So you continue being logged in, but you will be able also as partner to log out and continue seeing the information, okay? The information that that is being shared through the QR code, it is visible for partners and consumers, and there is no need for them to be logged in the FTS platform. Okay. But for uploading the information, it is needed to be logged in. And I only can upload information to my own pilot, the pilot that I belong to. Okay, I cannot add or upload a batch fish import if I am Egyptian to the Lebanese pilot, for instance.
For example, here I'm logged with the Tunisian pilot. If I try to, for example, the Spanish, I get logged in, so I can access it just for the Tunisian.
Okay.
Okay. And as you have also seen, there are two versions of the upload form, a more advanced or sophisticated with a step-by-step form for the Tunisian pilot, and the other three pilots share the same version of the form, which is a more simplified version of this one. They also has the entries, and they can see the entries that are pending to be finished, but they don't have a step-by-step form. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry for delay. This
Hello.
is
Hello,
Rosella.
Rosella.
I was
Hello,
in
Rosella.
another meeting before, but I have seen that you recorded the meeting, so I
Yes.
see
Yep.
again. I can give a look.
Yes, that's it.
Your presentation.
Yes, we are recording the meeting, and also we have the video that we were preparing. Now it is ready, and we have shared with you, and we will send to you also the 10-minute video of the end-to-end handling of the blockchain-based FTS platform as soon as possible. I don't know if today, maybe tomorrow, but we will send to you.
Oh, thank you a lot.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you have more questions regarding the platform? Yeah, Simona?
Yes, Rodrigo, I was wondering if, in terms of steps along the value chain, if the pilot should have a different, for example, access in order to fix data, to gather, not gather, but input data at each step of the value chain, how it is going to perform.
Okay. Yeah, in the Tunisian pilot, we can see in the step-by-step form that we can only go back to the previous immediate step. We cannot go back. Maybe we are in the third step to the first one, because the information, it is already uploaded. It has been already uploaded to the blockchain. So we only allow to go back one step.
Yeah, I'm going to show here. You can go back. Oh, well, that wasn't supposed to go back.
Maybe because you have
Yeah.
to upload the.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Okay.
Now you can only access to the second and the third step. So if you mess it up in the second, you can fix it. But you can, since you have uploaded already the second, you can't upload to the third, to the first.
The idea is that if some field from a step is missing, we can have pending the entry, and then come back with the missing information and fulfill every field, and then we can continue. Okay. But if we have, for example, we have finished the first step, we have continued to the next one, we cannot go back because we have already uploaded the information to the blockchain. And once it is uploaded, we cannot modify. We can create another entry, maybe fixing, but in a form of an addition, not a modification. Okay. So we can see the history of the changes.
Yes, indeed, this was the objective of my question. If actors are allowed to modify data, because of course it's not consistent with the blockchain concept itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The
Okay.
blockchain philosophy doesn't allow to modify the data once it has been stored, but you can do an addition, okay? But well, it is a modification, but in form of an addition, and you will see the history of the changes. So, for instance, if an attribute has had a value of 2 and that value was wrong, you can modify, but you will be seeing the previous value, the value of 2 that was previously stored for that attribute. Okay, so then once you modify, you will see in for that attribute the value of 2, and then for example, if it changed to a value of 4, you will also be seeing the change.
Okay, thank you, Rodrigo. You completely answered to my clarify my doubts. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Here you can see it. This is the same step, and these are recorded in different minutes. So
different
this
times.
will be fixing. Yep.
Perfect.
Thank you, Alvaro.
No problem. Salwa, you have a question?
Thank you. So it's the sense of real sense of traceability, but with the blockchain. Do you think? Are you thinking? I don't know if it is programmed in the project to align the blockchain and traceability according to international norms, because there is a norm in for traceability in food. Are you thinking to add this, because it's a form of reconnaissance and reliability of the platform?
Okay. I think that I don't know what norm you are referring to, but for sure we will be needing more info about this initiative to fulfill or to check if we can fulfill the requirements of this norm.
Yes, it's ISO 22005. There is a norm for traceability in the food.
Okay, it is analyzed. Okay. And it is regarding the traceability of the information, but not
The
the
system, in fact.
Okay. So we don't know this.
So I think I'm thinking, because it's an added value to the blockchain if we can do it for this.
Okay. So you said the ISO 22000?
5.
5. Okay.
Yes,
So
there is also a reference in the grant agreement in the solution 2. So if you go after the schematic concept of SUREFISH solution 2, we refer to those ISO rules.
Okay. Okay, so we will search for and answer you back with the info we find. Maybe we are agreeing with this norm already, and we don't know. Okay, so we will check it and inform you with what we find.
Okay.
Thank you, Salwa.
You're welcome.
Okay, so the FTS platform, it is already publicly available. Okay, but we have to send you the link and also the credentials individually for every pilot for you to access and to try out. And also we will include in the email that we are going to send a form, so you can give us some feedback, okay, about the FTS platform and the things that you find. Chalua.
Are you going to get into the platform, to the pilot? I see that you have a code, a user code to get in. Yes?
Yes, yes.
Is it only for pilots or also for example, as I am accompanying the pilot Guidon Marais, I will be able to get in, or just for them?
You can also get one. Yeah. We will generate one for you, so you can access the Tunisian pilot in this case. No problem. Okay. And if more of you need credentials, we can generate more. Okay.
Okay.
So, for example, if maybe for a pilot, instead of just having one credentials, one email and password, we can generate 2 or more. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, so we will send you the video, the link, the credentials, and also a survey to give us some feedback, so we can improve the FTS platform if we have time. Okay.
Thank you, Digro.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you don't have any question, we can finish. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Perfect. So thank you all for your attendance.
Thank you, everyone.
And for being so participative.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
See
Thank
you.
you very
Goodbye.
much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.